Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best garage floor products that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the Panda Room Garage Mats Oversized Garage Floor Parking Mats. This product is a unique option for those who prioritize surface cleanliness and protection from stains, oil spills, and liquids. Made from absorbent, non-woven felt fabric with a PVC waterproof backing, this mat is designed to block liquids like oil, gasoline, and coolant from reaching your garage floor. It's also incredibly versatile, suitable for use under cars, golf carts, motorcycles, and even garbage cans or gardening tools. The design is practical, featuring a non-slip backing that helps hold the mat firmly in place. Its oversized dimensions of 8.8 by 22 feet provide ample coverage for large vehicles or workstations. Plus, it's easy to clean. Just vacuum or rinse with a hose, and can be cut to fit your specific garage layout. However, the thin material may feel less durable compared to interlocking tile options, and its wrinkle-prone surface could take time to settle flat. Overall, this mat is a solid choice for those who want a lightweight, easy-to-install solution for spill containment and floor protection. While it's not as heavy-duty as some other options, its affordability and versatility make it worth considering for garages or driveways with moderate use. At number 4, we have the Garage Floor Tiles by Boldworks. This budget-friendly option is perfect for those looking to enhance their garage flooring without breaking the bank. These interlocking tiles are made from non-toxic, impact-resistant polypropylene, ensuring durability against rolling loads of up to 40,000 pounds. The brick-patterned anti-slip surface offers added traction, making it a safe choice for car garages, shop floors, and basements. One standout feature is the UV coating and 6 interlocking loops, which help prevent buckling under sunlight, a common issue with cheaper tiles. Installation is quick and easy, thanks to the snap lock mechanism, and maintenance is a breeze with regular mopping or vacuuming. However, its lightweight design and thinner material may not hold up as well under heavy industrial use compared to premium tiles. Additionally, the product's aesthetic is functional but lacks the high-end finish of competitors. This is an excellent option for consumers on a budget who need reliable, easy-to-install flooring for moderate garage use. While it may not have the premium build quality of higher-priced tiles, its affordability and practicality make it a worthwhile choice for everyday garage projects. Taking the number 3 spot is the ProSource Fit Puzzle Exercise Mat. While primarily designed for home gyms and kids' play areas, this product has proven to be a versatile option for garage flooring. Made from high-density EVA foam, these interlocking tiles provide excellent cushioning and floor protection. The textured, non-skid surface ensures durability and is resistant to water and noise, making it suitable for indoor use. Each tile measures 24 by 24 inches with a half-inch thickness, and the pack includes 36 tiles to cover 144 square feet. Assembly is straightforward, as the lightweight tiles snap together easily and disassemble just as quickly for storage. However, the foam material may not be ideal for heavy-duty use or areas exposed to sharp tools and heavy machinery. It's also less resistant to oil spills compared to polypropylene options. This mat is a great choice for garages that double as workout spaces or areas where comfort and noise reduction are key priorities. Its flexibility and affordability make it a good alternative to rubber mats, though it may lack the durability needed for high-impact or industrial applications. In the runner-up position, we have the Big Floors Garage Track Diamond Tiles. These interlocking tiles boast a premium build quality, constructed from heavy-duty copolymer material, capable of withstanding rolling loads of up to 40,000 pounds. The diamond double-tread design not only adds a sleek, modern aesthetic, but also enhances slip resistance, making this flooring safe and functional for garages, workshops, and tool sheds. Installation is a breeze, requiring no tools, adhesives, or extra hands. The tiles snap together to form a durable and attractive garage floor that's easy to clean and maintain. Whether it's oil spills, dirt, or dust, the surface can be quickly wiped down with a mop or shop vac. While the coverage per pack is smaller compared to some competitors, at 48 square feet, the modular design allows for endless layout customization. This product is ideal for users seeking a durable, stylish floor that can handle light to moderate garage use. Its slightly higher price reflects its premium build and performance, though it's still a solid value for homeowners who want a professional-grade solution. Finally, at number 1, we have the Big Floors Race Deck Free Flow Interlocking Garage Flooring Tiles. These tiles are the gold standard for garage flooring, offering unparalleled durability, functionality, and design. Made from high-impact polypropylene, these tiles support rolling loads of up to 80,000 pounds, making them perfect for heavy-duty garages, basements, and workshops. The patented self-draining design ensures that debris, dirt, and liquids pass right through, leaving the surface clean and dry. Installation is effortless, with tiles snapping together to create a seamless, customizable layout. The anti-slip surface and impact-absorbing understructure provide comfort and safety during long hours of work. Additionally, these tiles are non-toxic, odor-free, and made in the USA, ensuring premium quality you can trust. The 48-pack covers 48 square feet, and while the price is the highest on our list, the exceptional performance and longevity justify the investment. This product is ideal for professional-grade garages or homeowners who want the best of the best. Its robust design, easy maintenance, and sleek appearance make it the ultimate choice for anyone seeking top-tier garage flooring. While it's pricier, the value and quality are unmatched. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.